So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy A01. So first of all, let me tell you, this smartphone is not going to be featuring 5G. Few sources said, but it is not going to do so. So it is going to be featuring 4G again. Let me tell you, the key feature of it is going to be the price segment and what you're getting with it. First, let me come to the camera portion. Well, you're getting a 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras with this smartphone and an 8 megapixel front camera. With this smartphone, you're getting a 3000 milliamp hours battery life, and again, let me tell you, 3.5mm headphone jack is there. There is a rear fingerprint reader. Okay, at the back there is a fingerprint reader for this smartphone. And also now let me come to the display. Well, this smartphone is going to be having a 5.7 inch, like 14.48 centimeter bezel-less display with water drop notch. Okay, this is going to be having the water drop notch, but again, for the price segment of 7,000 rupees, you're getting a water drop notch. This is, I think, incredible value for the money smartphone, and this might be the ultimate competitor for the Redmi 7S. So now let me come to the performance. Well, this smartphone is going to be having the Samsung's Exynos 7 octa-core 7884 octa-core processor, and this smartphone is going to be starting at 2GB RAM. Okay, now you might say this, it is starting with 2GB RAM, but there is going to be an upgrade of 4GB and even 3GB and 4GB RAM versions, so you can opt for them. And the first internal, the internal storage is going to be 16GB for the base model. Okay, 16GB internal storage and 2GB of RAM will be the base variant for this smartphone, and later on you can expand it up to 512GB. So guys, this is everything, and now let me tell you the operating system. When it is going to be shipping with the Android 10. Okay, you're just getting directly Android 10 with this smartphone, and guys, it's good to see. I think the main key factor of this Samsung Galaxy A01 is the pricing. Okay, for the price segment of 7,000 rupees, I think this is a steal of a deal. Okay, Redmi provides smartphones for this price segment, and now Samsung has started to enter into this market, so it's great to see. Okay, so guys, let there be Vivo, Oppo, Samsung and all other smartphone companies trying to compete with each other to give you the best flagship smartphone, like a flagship level smartphone. Again, this is a budget friendly smartphone, but all of the specifications, like before 3 years you would have never expected that you can get like this crazy specification under 10,000 rupees, and now you're getting so I think this is a killer thing. And again, in this race of companies, I would say we as consumers are only going to be benefited. So guys, it's good to see that we are getting so much high-tech technology in our budget. So if you have liked today's video, this was a very short video just to tell you that this is going to be the ultimate budget-friendly smartphone by Samsung, and guys, it is expected to come in March of 2020. And guys, there are few sources that say that this smartphone might come in December of 2019, but who knows. But the only thing that is for sure, that this is going to be a steal of a deal. For 7,000 rupees, you're getting the perfect value for the money smartphone. So if you have liked today's video, if you want like this more videos and you want to stay updated from the Android and iOS ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.